Hey everybody, my name is Eric. Welcome to Dryer Pros. We're going to be actually offering an install of these powder coated metal vents instead of your average plastic one, as well as we're going to be doing an outside clean, which is considered our standard package. We come to the outside here, we use high pressure air at 150 psi, and we pull that lint that's trapped inside the ductwork out. And we're also going to be throwing in this actual clean for the total of $110, which is a really awesome deal because these vents come for close to about $60 before the install, so you're getting your clean almost for free. So we finished doing the install of the low profile vent. As you can see, it stays really close into the wall, it doesn't protrude out very far. You can see that this flap is open right now. We have the dryer going, so it allows the whole opening allows all the lint to come out, nothing can trap it, and when it does shut off, then it'll actually close with the magnetic metal tips on there. So yeah, if you guys are really interested to get this vent in there, it lasts a lot longer than the plastic ones. It doesn't allow critters in, and it is also it also allows for the most airflow possible without obstruction for lint to build up. So if you guys like this, why don't you give Dryer Pros a call, or you can click the book now button.